excited to talk because I want to talk about one thing just to get it out of here because there was some comments out there and that we've all noticed and saying that how many times we had to do IVF, and I really wanted to clarify this.
Yes.
So we had to, like almost everyone else, go through a bunch of donors. I mean, we have people that want to donate their eggs, and we don't test every single person beforehand. And the process when you go through a donor and you like their look and you like what you've learned and read about them is that you do some preliminary testing. Hormone tests such as like the AMH that tells us if there's a good reserve of eggs or not. And sometimes they look perfect and they're young and they don't have a great egg reserve. And we wanted to make sure that we had an excellent egg reserve because we needed to divide the eggs into two, half and half, to make sure everyone had a great chance. So we did not do IVF 12 times or 9 times or whatever it was. No.
God, no.
we did IVF, and you guys have been very open about the fact that we all have to go through a miscarriage together.
Yeah.
And that was hard.
Which we found is so common. I mean, it's weird. I guess just in the last 5 years, I feel like it's not taboo to talk about IVF and surrogacy, and people are so open and honest about it now. So when we had our miscarriage, we had tons of friends reaching out to us telling their same exact experience. So we're like part of a family.
So I'm glad that we talked about that and the fact that, when I had a child and the next time we got pregnant, we had a miscarriage too.
Yeah.
And after that miscarriage, we did not get pregnant for about 2 years. And that's when we did IVF to have our twins. So it happens. And until we had that miscarriage, then a million people are like, we had a miscarriage too. We had a miscarriage too.
Yeah.
So I think it's become much more open and accepted. And, sometimes, talking about it early on is a little harder because people keep asking you how things are going. And like, I'm sorry, I had a miscarriage.
Yeah.